Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things saving money, budgeting, and getting the absolute most bang for your buck. And today, we're diving deep into the world of online shopping because let's be real, who doesn't love scoring incredible deals without leaving the couch? We're talking about strategies that can save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars a year. Stay tuned, because I'll share with you 8 hacks to save big bucks every time you shop online, like a true pro. Alright, let's kick things off with a strategy that seems like a no-brainer, but trust me, you're probably leaving money on the table if you're not doing this. Before you even think about hitting that buy now button, you need to be using price comparison tools. And no, I'm not talking about manually checking different websites, ain't nobody got time for that. I'm talking about using browser extensions like Honey and Camel, which automatically scour the internet for the absolute lowest price on the products you're looking for. Honey, for example, is a game changer. Imagine this, you're about to check out on Amazon and bam! Honey pops up and tells you if there's a better price from a different seller, or even a hidden coupon code you didn't know about. It's like having your own personal shopping assistant working tirelessly to save you money. And then there's Camel, which is a must-have for all you Amazon shoppers out there. This nifty tool tracks the price history of millions of products, so you can see if you're getting a good deal, or if you should wait for a price drop. Seriously, it's like having a crystal ball that predicts the best time to buy. But it doesn't end there. Don't forget about Google Shopping. It's like the Google search engine, but specifically for products. You can compare prices from a ton of different retailers in one place, ensuring you're always getting the best possible deal. So, there are no excuses, people. Start using these price comparison tools and watch your savings grow. It's such a simple step that can make a huge difference in your wallet. Alright, are you ready to have your mind blown? Because we're about to dive into the wonderful world of cashback websites and apps. These platforms are like secret weapons in the fight against overspending, and I'm going to break down exactly how they work. Imagine this, you're shopping online at your favorite store, and instead of just getting your usual confirmation email, you get an email saying you earned cashback on your purchase. That's right, cold, hard cash back in your pocket just for buying things you were already going to buy. That's the power of cashback platforms. Two of the heavy hitters in the cashback game are Rakuten and Swagbucks. These platforms have partnerships with thousands of online retailers, from big-name brands to smaller boutiques. All you have to do is sign up for a free account, browse through the available stores, and click on the cashback link before you make your purchase. It's that simple. Rakuten, for example, is known for offering some of the highest cashback rates out there. We're talking up to 40% cashback at some stores. They also have a super user-friendly interface and a handy browser extension that automatically alerts you to cashback opportunities while you're browsing the web. Swagbucks, on the other hand, is a cashback powerhouse that not only rewards you for shopping but also for completing surveys, watching videos, and even searching the web. Alright, let's be real, who doesn't love a good coupon? Coupons are like little nuggets of savings gold, and in the digital age, there's no shortage of places to find them. We're talking about websites and browser extensions that are dedicated to helping you save money with discount codes and coupons. One of the OGs in the coupon game is Retail Me Not. This website is a treasure trove of coupons for thousands of online stores. You can search for coupons by store, category, or even product, making it super easy to find what you're looking for. They also have a handy browser extension that automatically alerts you to available coupons when you're checking out at a supported store. Talk about convenience. But hold on, we're not done yet. Remember Honey, the price comparison tool we talked about earlier? Well, it also doubles as a coupon finding machine. That's right, Honey automatically scours the web for the best coupon codes for the items in your cart and applies them at checkout. It's like having a personal coupon clipper working overtime to save you money. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to do a little digging and search for coupons directly on the retailer's website. Alright, this next hack might seem a little counterintuitive, but trust me on this one, signing up for newsletters can actually save you a ton of money. I know, newsletters can be overwhelming and nobody wants a cluttered inbox, but hear me out because this is where the real savings are hiding. Think about it. Retailers want you to shop with them, right? So they're constantly sending out exclusive deals, discounts, and even freebies to their email subscribers. By signing up for their newsletters, you're essentially getting a VIP pass to all the best savings opportunities. Now, I'm not saying you should sign up for every single newsletter that comes your way. That's a one-way ticket to inbox overload. Instead, be strategic about it. Sign up for newsletters from your favorite stores, brands you've been wanting to try, and retailers that offer products you frequently purchase. Alright, let's talk about a little psychological warfare tactic that can save you some serious cash: the abandoned cart trick. This one's all about playing hard to get and using retailers' own marketing strategies against them. Here's how it works. You're browsing online, adding items to your cart, acting like you're about to make it rain with your hard-earned cash. But then, right before you hit that checkout button, you abandon your cart. That's right. You close the tab, walk away from your computer, and pretend like you never wanted those items in the first place. Now, here's where the magic happens. Many online retailers have automated email systems that track abandoned carts. They know you were interested in those items, and they're not going to let you walk away that easily. So a day or two later, you'll likely receive an email from them reminding you about your abandoned cart and offering you a little something extra to sweeten the deal. Listen up, savvy shoppers, because this next hack is all about timing the market, or in this case, timing your online shopping sprees to perfection. We're talking about those magical days and times when retailers slash their prices and offer deals that are too good to resist. First up, we have the heavy hitters of the shopping world, Black Friday and Cyber Monday. These two shopping holidays, usually happening in late November, are legendary for a reason. Retailers go all out, offering massive discounts on everything from electronics and appliances to clothing and home goods. If you're looking to make a big purchase, it's definitely worth holding out for Black Friday or Cyber Monday deals. But don't worry, you don't have to wait until November to score amazing deals. Alright, let's talk about the power of loyalty, or more specifically, store loyalty programs. These programs are like secret clubs for savvy shoppers, offering exclusive perks, discounts, and rewards that can save you a ton of money in the long run. Think about it, retailers want to keep you coming back for more, right? So they're willing to reward you for your loyalty with discounts, freebies, and other incentives. And the best part? Most of these programs are completely free to join. Take Sephora's Beauty Insider program, for example. This program is legendary in the beauty world, offering points for every purchase that can be redeemed for free products, exclusive discounts, and even invitations to exclusive events. Plus, they spoil their members with free samples and birthday gifts. Who doesn't love a freebie? Then there's Target Circle, Target's revamped loyalty program that's completely free to join. With Target Circle, you earn 1% back on every purchase, which can be redeemed for future Target runs. Plus, you get access to personalized deals and coupons, and you can even vote on which local charities Target should support. Talk about a win-win. And don't forget about those airline and hotel loyalty programs. If you're a frequent traveler, these programs are a must-have. You can earn points or miles for every flight or hotel stay, which can be redeemed for free flights, hotel nights, upgrades, and other travel perks. Alright, my fellow deal seekers, I've saved the best for last. This bonus hack is a game changer, and it's something that most people don't even think about. Are you ready for it? Drumroll, please. Create a separate email address specifically for online shopping. I know, it might seem like overkill, but trust me on this one. Having a dedicated shopping email address can be a lifesaver when it comes to managing those pesky newsletters, tracking orders, and, most importantly, unlocking those sweet deals. Think about it. How many times have you scrolled past a tempting sign-up for our newsletter and get 15% off your first order pop-up? Probably a lot, right? But then you hesitate because you don't want your main inbox bombarded with promotional emails. Well, with a separate shopping email address, you can finally give in to those tempting offers without the guilt. Sign up for all the newsletters, create accounts at all your favorite online stores, and watch as the discount codes roll in. And there you have it. 8 secret online shopping hacks that can save you a ton of money. From price comparison tools and cashback websites to abandoned cart tricks and loyalty programs, we've covered it all. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be about deprivation. It's about being smart, strategic, and taking advantage of every opportunity to keep more money in your pocket. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these hacks are you most excited to try? Have you used any of these strategies before? Share your experiences and any other money-saving tips you have in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy shoppers who are committed to getting the most bang for our buck. And as always, remember to stay vigilant and be aware of potential scams. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to reputable websites and retailers, and don't be afraid to do your research before making a purchase. Happy shopping!